Hey, Phil with heavy-dutycaster.com. Today I want to talk about an accessory that we mount to swivel casters to effectively turn a swivel caster into a rigid caster. And we do this by installing a 4-position swivel lock. This is a bolt-on style 4-position swivel lock that mounts to the top plate. This is a 4x4.5 top plate, and this is a 6x2 swivel caster with a phenolic wheel, 1,000-pound capacity. Very good caster. But the swivel lock basically engages in notches that are cut into the swivel raceway. So in this particular swivel race, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different notches that allow you to turn this into a rigid caster. And basically this is a spring plunger assembly that you pull out and turn 90 degrees, and that disengages the pin here. And if you can see, when I do engage it and then you lock it in, turns it into a rigid caster. Now this is good for anyone who really needs the flexibility of either pushing a cart, a buggy, or dolly straight, and then also needs the flexibility of being able to turn their cart or their dolly into a swivel caster. So let's look at how this mounts to the caster. So again, you can see how there's notches in the swivel race, and we just take this bolt-on style 4-position swivel lock and you mount it to the top plate, and of course it goes in this manner. We're at a plunger assembly. Here's the pin locking out and back in. Mounts right here to the top plate with a 3/8 inch attaching bolt. Now we do not supply the bolts with the 4-position swivel locks, just because there's so many different ways that our customer mounts these to their carts or buggies. A lot of them actually weld them on, and we do have these pre-welded on. If you need to order them that way, that's not a problem. Let's get this one in the matching hole. And then we just tighten that up. And that's how quickly and easily you can mount this to a caster, either in the field or before you put it onto your cart. Locked in and out. So that's how you make a swivel caster into a rigid caster very quickly and easily. And this swivel lock adds about $10. It's a $10 piece. We can also do it on our 3-inch wide casters, which makes it about $20 for the swivel lock on the larger casters. But we have it in a lot of different options. And just check out the website or give us a call anytime, heavy-dutycaster.com.